Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a maple leaf butterfly print with some paint. And this is a maple. These two are maple leaves. This is daisy leaf and this is a type of daisy leaf too. And now I'm going to use the maple leaf stem for the little antennas at the top. So now we're going to get started with painting. Daisy leaf with a rainbow colors. I love rainbow colors. And now I'm gonna stamp it on this round piece of paper and it's brown. So now I'm gonna stamp it on. So I'm gonna do a little dental tap and everywhere. And you want it to print nicely and everywhere it goes. So it's all printed on. I'm going to do a little bit more tap so it gets the print properly. Now I'm going to peel it off. Like it's like a sticker. Okay, now I did the body. So now we're going to do the wings. So I did the body with the rainbow colors. So now I'm going to print these maple leaves for the wings. So now I'm going to paint. So first I just have to try this. Now I'm going to start painting. So I'm going to take a little red paintbrush, and we're going to do everything rainbow color. Rainbow colors and I put it on the little round paper and now I'm going to tap on it and I'll stamp the print. So now I'm going to do little gentle taps. So I'm going to do it everywhere the paint is. Now I'm going to peel it off. Pull the bottom wings. So we're gonna start from this bottom and then do like this. Whoa, this turned out really nice, the bottom wings, because we put a lot of paint. So we just need to put a little bit more red paint. So we're gonna do that later. Now for the antennas, I'm gonna make a little cute little curl, like a little curl inside the middle for both of the antennas. So I'm gonna use these to go. It's really hard to do. That's my best. Let's try another one. Let's try the other. So I'm gonna use some orange. Purple. And I'm gonna draw it. I need to get ta-da! This is our rainbow leaf print of a butterfly. It looks like a rainbow really much. And I like the antennas because they're literally cute. And yeah, this is easy activity make. you need some. You can use any type of leaf you guys want. And yeah, so that's how you make this type of stuff. I hope you like my video. You guys can try this too. Thanks for watching. Bye.